As a people cradled by the water, it is only natural that Cebuanos' beliefs and practices are ascribed to and inspired by the seas and other bodies of water. One such practice is creating a smoke for purification. Cebuano practitioners usually smoke various types of leaves and grass such as salimbinit, kamangyan, amorsico, mahong with a coconut husk. The term palina describes a ritual practice that involves bathing any new fishing equipment or newly constructed boat to attract good luck. This practice dates back to pre-colonial times. Since pre-colonial times, water has been ingrained in many aspects of Cebuano culture. One of Cebu's most famous religious traditions, inspired by the waters, is the Sinulog dance. The term Sinulog comes from the word sulog, which means water current in native Cebuano. It was termed as such because of the simple forward and backward movement which simulates the wave current. Over the centuries, this water-inspired dance has spawned different variations. One of these is the Sinug. The dance choreography of the Sinug is more akin to the Moro-Moro war dance in the 17th century. Another dance variation is the traditional votive Sinulog dance. This dance is still performed by candle vendors outside the Basilica Minora del Santo Niño de Cebu. Both the Sinug and the votive Sinulog dance retain the elements of the forward and backward pattern, which is synonymous with the water current. It is also no coincidence that the center of devotion for the Sinulog, the Santo Niño de Cebu, also came to Cebu by the sea, as it was brought to Cebu by the explorer Ferdinand Magellan while on a voyage to find the Spice Islands. Today, the Sinulog is still performed by Cebuanos, thus symbolizing our faith's ties with the waters.